Superheroes love going to the movies too. And, just like regular people, some of them want to cut in line. Hey, Superman! Go to the back of the line! Everything is super over here! I'm Spider-Man! I want to see my movie! Hi, Spidey! Nice to see you! Sorry, but you're not coming in. Superheroes aren't allowed here. Then I'll open my own movie theater. Only for superheroes. The grand opening. Let's cut the red ribbon. Welcome to the Super Cinema. Heroes, come in. Hey, who cut my cape? Hi, guys. Hi, Spidey. Hello, everyone. What an unexpected meeting. 2 spiders for the price of 1. And here's the imposter. Get out of here, fraud. Hang on, don't! Whoops! Sorry, Hulk! We didn't think it was you! Sit down and stay calm. A drink on the house. The popcorn machine broke. I can't do anything. But Superman can. Hang on! This machine needs a hero. His supervision can pop any corn. Thanks, Superman! You are our hero! Come get your popcorn, everybody! The security guard is watching Troom at work again. Hey, buddy, there's a line here already. Mystique can't wait any longer. Guys, let me handle it. Hey, security guard, surprised? Go take a break. I'll work instead of you. Heroes, come in! These superheroes tricked me again! Flash is late to the movie. It starts in 5 minutes. But I'll make it on time. A snack. Get some popcorn. Go into the theater. Who's there? And take your seat. It's still just showing the trailers anyway. Elastigirl, want some popcorn? No thanks, I can reach mine. Mr. Incredible is guarding the movie theater. Oh, Catwoman. You don't have a ticket again? How come, kitty? Ahem. Husband, are you flirting again? Give me popcorn right now. That cat still snuck into the movies. We are watching Avengers: Age of Hachiko, the saddest movie ever. But someone keeps laughing. Hey, Joker, what's so funny? Guys, I'm watching a comedy on my phone. Highly recommend. It's hilarious. You'll die laughing. Oh, a puppy. What a boring movie. It's Mystique's time to shine. Now we'll have some fun. Hey, Superman, how many flashes do you see here? And now, Deadpool. Or Elastigirl. Thor says hi. And here's your selfie. Hold Holy kryptonite! What's going on? Am I hallucinating? Time to go home. Superman, we got you! You are so gullible! Doctor Strange didn't get the joke. Let's rewind it and watch that part again. He still didn't get it. Try again. And now he got it. That's hilarious! Hey, Strange, this is annoying. You should go see the movie somewhere else. Time to leave through the portal. I won't come back. Whoa, did you see that? A free superhero movie. I haven't seen anything like that before. Thor, the sound producer of thunder. Come in, your godliness. Dr. Strange, welcome. Hey, Superman, get back in line. Everyone's special here. You are not the only one. Strange, come in. You know how the movie ends anyway. Catwoman, meow. You look great. Enjoy the movie. Come on, hero, get inside. Here's Catwoman's secret. She snuck in her relatives. Oh, these kittens are so cute. The super cinema blacked out. What the? Guys, stay calm. Thor will handle it. A lightning bolt. Done. Whoa, Thor, you're a god. Dark Spider-Man doesn't have a ticket, but he doesn't care. He's gonna gate crash. There is a problem for Dark Spider-Man at the movies. You can't see him. Sorry, buddy. Whoops, didn't see you there. Strange, watch where you sit. I'm here. That's it. This is ridiculous. I'm going to tell the producer. Wolverine brought marshmallows to the movies. Something's missing. Hey, Superman, can you roast my marshmallows? Sure. Thank you, buddy. Superheroes, enjoy! Give me something to drink. No, not that. Can I have some milk? That's what I need. Thanks. This is the best drink ever. Catwoman, come in. The movie already started. Superheroes have very weird tastes. Oh no! Catwoman choked on her milk! We can't hear anything over her coughing! Let's distract her with a laser pointer! It's great that Superman is sitting right there! Thanks, Clark! You saved the movie! Thor forgot to bring a snack! Okay, I'll go! Mjolnir, guard my place! Flash is late! All the seats are taken! Here's an empty one! Not so fast, buddy! You can't move Thor's hammer! Give me the most divine pizza and make it snappy! My seat is waiting for me! Great! Oh no, I forgot to get soda! Mjolnir, guard my pizza! How do we get Thor's pizza? No one can pick up the hammer. Except for Captain America. Yeah, Cap, you're a decent hero. Yummy! Hurry up, put the hammer back so Thor doesn't figure it out. Hey, guys, where's my pizza? Superheroes, are you having fun? Thanos put on his gauntlet and snapped his fingers. Whoops! Only Arnold is left. Here he is, the superhero we deserve. Did you like our superhero movie theater? Then comment below who you would watch a movie with. Thor, Wolverine, or Mystique. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new superhero stories from Troom.